Journey with, toward, and towards, prepositions of direction. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another lesson in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're focusing on a very interesting aspect of English language, prepositions of direction. Specifically, we're going to explore the usage of toward and towards. They might sound similar, but there are subtle differences that you need to be aware of. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify what these two prepositions are all about. Toward and towards are both prepositions used to indicate direction. They mean in the direction of something or someone. For example, you can say, I am walking toward the park, or I am walking towards the park, and both sentences are correct. But, is there any difference between them? Let's find out in the next section. Now, you might be wondering, if both toward and towards mean the same thing, then why do we have two different words? The answer lies in the style of English you're using. In American English, toward is more commonly used, whereas towards is more common in British English. So, if you're writing for an American audience or taking an American English exam, you'd likely use toward. On the other hand, if you're communicating with British friends or preparing for a British English exam, you'd lean more towards towards. But remember, both forms are correct and understood in both variants of English. Let's put our knowledge into practice now. Here are some example sentences. 1. She ran toward the bus stop. American English. 2. He walked towards the supermarket. British English. 3. The cat moved toward its food dish. 4. They are heading towards the cinema. Remember, it doesn't matter if you interchange toward and towards in these sentences. The meaning stays the same. The choice between toward and towards is more about the style of English you're using or are most comfortable with. And there you have it, the mystery of toward versus towards. While they're practically interchangeable, the subtle difference lies in whether you're using American or British English. As we continue our journey learning English, remember to practice using these prepositions in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget, the journey of learning never ends, and each step, each word, brings you closer to mastery. Stay tuned for more lessons on grammar fundamentals. Happy learning!